And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
Freezing out there tonight. Kind of freezy. I should make up a new word, freezy. Yeah, it's kind of like a, it's breezy. It could be freezy. I don't know. Freezing temperatures, though. It's cold tonight. It is a little breezy still in some areas near the coast, so we'll kind of watch out for that. We'll show you again the wind chill advisory. But dry tonight. The big difference, the biggest difference between last night and tonight is that it's not windy and drizzling and freezing, icy roads, things like that. So it is dry tonight, expecting just some clouds to be around. But showers could return later Thursday. I think Thursday afternoon through about Friday midday or afternoon are your best chances. And then we should be clearing out with warmer weather returning later in the weekend. Right now, though, it's still above freezing. 36 in Harlingen. Brownsville took a break, but it's still, I think, about 37 there. 36 in Raymondville, 37 in Rio Grande City. Wind chill advisory we showed you briefly before one of the commercial breaks, only for Williston and Cameron County. The wind speeds are a little bit stronger here, especially the eastern part right at the coast. So wind chill advisory is in effect until 10 a.m. Wind chill temperatures down in the 20s. Maybe not quite as cold as last night, but it's not very warm. Wind speeds, you see very light upper valley, lower valley, starting to see a little more color there, indicating that's 12 miles per hour, but right at the coast. We're probably talking more like about 15 to 20 still around South Padre Island and Port Isabel. Wind chill temperature, how it feels right now, is still mostly in the 20s in the lower valley, 32 in McAllen and Edinburgh. So that's the apparent temperature you feel if you walk outside, comparing it to if it was just a calm night everywhere. So lows tonight, cold, could be reaching the upper 20s, 29 in Rio Grande City, 28 in San Ysidro. Thankfully, we have the clouds. The air is very dry. If it was crystal clear out there, we would easily be down in the 20s, I think, just about everywhere. But these numbers, though, will be very late tonight. This isn't a night where it stays below freezing all night. It kind of just gradually settles down, and maybe by like 3 or 4 in the morning, we're talking we could start to dip below freezing and get there briefly near sunrise. About 30 or so over most of Hidalgo County, 30 in La Jolla, 30 in Elsa, and mostly lower 30s in Cameron and Williston counties, 40s right along the coast. But again, late tonight it gets here. We're not there right now, and it's not going to be freezing for several hours. Across Texas, cold still, 24 in Austin right now. These are current temperatures, though it's already below freezing in many places. The cold air gradually starting to move out the next few days, but still plenty of chilliness here tomorrow. Didn't see any snowflakes today, but radar had a little bit of snow on it. I think a lot of this evaporated before ever reaching the ground north of us, but it was very cold out there today, but it did stay dry and will be dry this evening and tonight. Cold temperatures still on Future Track, and you notice a little bit of drizzle offshore late tonight and tomorrow. That should stay out there, but during the day tomorrow, I think will be cloudy all day. The morning should be dry, but by midday and afternoon, you might start to see a little bit of drizzle come back, and then even some light rain showers by evening. And you notice how radar is forecast to become active. The Future Track is showing more active rain tomorrow night and Friday morning. So wouldn't be surprised to see some wet weather Thursday night and Friday morning, and then it kind of gets pushed away by Friday night. So we could add up some decent rainfall totals. And then the question with Saturday is that the clouds, if they can break out in time to get us back into the 70s. But again, a quick look at rainfall amounts on Future Track. It may not be exactly this, but you get a general idea that by Friday, when you add up Thursday and Friday, some areas might have a good quarter of an inch of rain or more in spots. So your first 1570 forecast, we're trading the cold for some warmer weather by the weekend. Highs around 41 tomorrow. The best chance of showers from about Thursday late afternoon through about noon on Friday. Highs in the 50s on Friday. Saturday's kind of I wouldn't get 100% sure it's going to be 75, but it's going to be better than 53. Like the clouds may be slow. The clouds may be slow to break. I would say at least 65 or 70, but Sunday by far looks like the warmest, sunniest day. And then we'll talk about another weak cold front coming up on Channel 5.
And as much as I love the cold weather, I really love that we're going to get warmer temperatures this weekend.
Oh, you just have to wait a couple days.
Yeah. I also love sports. Joelle is up next with some big news on Cheer Champs.